Hi, my name's Nat McCloskey, and today I'm going to be doing a speech from The Passenger by Michael Wicherek. In this speech, the main character Gary is recalling the memory of driving his girlfriend Sammy to prom. I love this speech. I think it's beautiful, it's poetic, and it really captures that moment in time for Gary before things go a little bit wrong. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for tuning in. Have a good day. Cheers. I remember like it was yesterday. He's putting the key into the ignition, adjusting the mirror, checking that he's in neutral. He's pulling out, signalling his direction, hands holding the steering wheel, not like some racing Lewis Hamilton, but like a kid who's got responsibility. And he's happy, man. I'm telling you, what more than to be out on a Friday night in May, hanging out, the chat, music easy on the ear. Ain't nothing in his head that's going to make him take his eyes off the road. No worries with money, no worries at school. I mean, don't know what university he wants to go to, but there's time to work it out. And the road ahead is straight, a little bit narrow. He placed the car in perfect parallel to the curb and the white lines in the middle, and she is gliding, man. Soft sailing through the night, and not fast. Got his eye on the speedometer, keeping her steady on 40. Not like that geezer behind who flashes and takes over. He must be doing 60 or something. And he ain't bothered by Mr. Flash. He ain't in no rush to be back. He push her into gear number 5. He wink at his girl. She gives him a smile back. That moon flickers through the branches like a dying 60-watt light bulb. A bunny rabbit makes a dash for it. His headlights, like a torch, help him do it. He's so alert. He's a living radar station, checking anything out that's coming in his direction.